Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at angular pipes. Okay, so pipes have been around for a while, and they're kind of like filters or formatters. One example would be the date pipe, which is used to format a date in a certain way. There's the uppercase and lowercase pipe, and you can just throw these right in your template within your string interpolation brackets or curly braces. So let me give you some examples here. And you can, of course, create your own pipes as well, and we may get into that later on. But for now, we're just going to look at the pipes that are included. So we have our basic sandbox component here, and what I'm going to do is in the component class, I'm going to set a birthday property, and I'm going to set that to a new date. All right, and then in here, we're going to put in 1981, and we'll put in 1/15. So we're looking at January 15th, 1981. And then what we'll do is go up here in our template, and let's go ahead and put a paragraph here. And we'll say my birthday is, and we'll use some string interpolation here. Save that. And it's going to look like this. So it's going to give us this full drawn out date. Includes the day, the month, the year, the time, the time zone, all that stuff. Now let's see what happens if we add in the date pipe. Okay, now to use a pipe, you're going to actually use the pipe character, which is right above the enter key. So we're going to put one of those and then just do date. And let's save that. And now look at that, February 15th, 1981. So it really cleans up the date, simplifies it. Now some pipes, such as the date pipe, can take in parameters as well. So we can enter a parameter to format this differently if we want. So let's go ahead and we're going to put a colon here, and then we're going to put some quotes, and let's do mm dash dd dash yy, and we'll save that, and now we get 02/15/81. So we can format this however we want. If we put 4 y's in here, we'll get 1981 at the end. Let's say that we just wanted the year, so we'll put a paragraph and we'll say I was born in, and we'll say birthday, date, and then we'll format that as 4 y's. Okay, put on our ending p tag there, save, and we get I was born in 1981. So that's the date pipe. Let's take a look at uppercase and lowercase, which are very, very simple. So we'll say I love, and then in here, of course, this could be a dynamic value, but it can also just be a string. If we want to put quotes here, we'll say cake, and we'll save that, and we see I love cake. Let's say we wanted to make this uppercase, so we'll just add a pipe character here, and we'll say uppercase, save that, and we get I love cake. Okay, if we wanted to do lowercase, we'll say I hate cats, which is very true. Actually, let's make that all uppercase. So initially, of course, it's going to look like that, but we could add a pipe and say lowercase. Oops, I put 2 W's there. And now it's all lowercase. Now we can add multiple pipes if we want. Let's say for the birthday up here, we wanted to also make this uppercase. We could just add another pipe. And now you can see that Feb is in uppercase. Okay, so you can add as many pipes as you want. Another one is currency. So let's say down here we had a total, and we wanted that to be 500. And let's also add a fee of, let's say, 10. All right, and then we'll add another paragraph here. And let's say your total is, and then we'll put in our total value. Okay, save it. So we get your total is 500. But if I were to add the currency pipe and save that, now we get your total is USD 500.00. So it's going to put your currency, and it's also going to put your decimals. And I believe if we wanted to change the actual currency from USD, we could just put right here and we'll put GBP. And now you can see it's GBP 500. And another cool thing we could do is put another parameter by putting a colon here, and then in here we can put a 1, and that's going to tell it that we want it to use the symbol for that currency, okay, instead of the actual text. So that's pretty nice. Let's see, so next we have percent. So let's create a paragraph here, and we'll say our fee is. Now I didn't mean to put 10 here actually. Let's go ahead and let's put 1, and then here we'll say our fee is, put in our fee and then add the percent and save that, and it's going to say our fee is 100%. So this needs to be a decimal. So let's say we want it to be 50%. We could do 0.5 and save that, and it's going to turn it to 50%. All right, so that is the percent pipe. So hopefully this gives you a good understanding of how pipes work. Like I said, you can create your own custom pipes and filters. These are just some of the ones that are included with Angular. Alright, so that's going to do it for this section, guys. In the next section, we're going to start to look at events and forms and template-driven forms, ng model, things like that. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.